Hey everyone, in this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can find free STL files for 3D printing, okay?
Hey everyone, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Savvy Engineer community, okay? And now, let's get started.
If you have a 3D printer in your house, I'm gonna show you this famous website in which you can find free 3D models, free STL files for 3D printing. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to type GrabCAD on Google. Then you click on the first result. Next you go to community, then library. Okay, so for the first tab, change from recent all time to most downloaded, then change the software to STL, this one. Okay, great. Now as you can see, these are all the files that you can download for free, and these files are STL. Let's take for example this one. We're gonna download this one. Now you can either click the download files to download all these files, or if you need just the STL file, you click here, then you click download. Okay, now I'm gonna go and click on this red button, download files. I'm gonna sign in. Okay, so the download will start after a few seconds. So as you can see, the download is starting here. Great. Now we click here, double click here, then we click here, then extract to the desktop. Now I'm gonna go to the desktop, then I'm gonna open this STL file in FreeCAD. So as you can see here on the screen, this is an STL file downloaded from GrabCAD for free, and you can use this STL file for 3D printing. Okay, so you can 3D print this model. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button to catch you next time on the Savvy Engineer Business channel. Thanks for watching.